Hello students, now once again we teachers of Trinity Public School are going to organize online teaching programs from 17th June, that is from today onwards. So students, I hope all of you will take it very seriously. Students, as you all know that we have already lost a lot of time due to this coronavirus pandemic, but students, now we all have to carry on our studies in this situation only, along with safety and sincerity. Students, education is the most important and the most basic thing in everyone's life, so we cannot stay from our studies for so long. Therefore, I request you all to be focused and sincere towards your studies from today onwards only. You all have to do the work that teachers will provide you in the respective WhatsApp groups. No one will try to cheat the teachers by betraying them and by not doing the work sincerely. All of you have to do the homework that teachers will provide you in the group. And one more important thing, students, that you all have to purchase your books of all the subjects till 30th of June, because we will start giving you the notes of new course of the new session from 1st July onwards. Now students, here are some very nice quotes that will help you out to become more motivated towards your studies in this quarantine time. So let's begin. उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए. Arise, awake and do not stop until the goal is reached. खुद को कमज़ोर समझना सबसे बड़ा पाप है. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. तुम्हें कोई पढ़ा नहीं सकता, कोई आध्यात्मिक नहीं बना सकता. तुमको सब कुछ खुद अंदर से सीखना है. आत्मा से अच्छा कोई शिक्षक नहीं होता. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you. None can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. सत्य को 1000 तरीकों से बताया जा सकता है, फिर भी हर एक सत्य ही होगा. Truth can be stated in 1000 different ways, yet each one can be true. बाहरी स्वभाव केवल अंदरूनी स्वभाव का बड़ा रूप है. External nature is only internal nature writ large. ब्रह्मांड की सारी शक्तियाँ पहले से हमारी हैं. वो हम ही हैं जो अपनी आँखों पर हाथ रख लेते हैं और फिर रोते हैं कि कितना अंधेरा है. All the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. विश्व एक विशाल व्यायामशाला है जहाँ हम खुद को मजबूत बनाने के लिए आते हैं. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. दिल और दिमाग के टकराव में दिल की सुनो. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. शक्ति जीवन है, निर्बलता मृत्यु है. विस्तार जीवन है, संकुचन मृत्यु है. प्रेम जीवन है, द्वेष मृत्यु है. Strength is life, weakness is death. Expansion is life, contraction is death. Love is life, hatred is death. किसी दिन जब आपके सामने कोई समस्या ना आए, आप सुनिश्चित हो सकते हैं कि आप गलत मार्ग पे चल रहे हैं. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. So students, your today's homework is that you all have to learn these codes, and then you have to make your own video in which you all have to speak all these codes on your own, and you have to send those videos in your respective WhatsApp group. Okay students, thank you.